Let's find one more thing to watch. Do you have any suggestions, Gordon Ramsay? Sure.
It's tableside Caesar in the north end of Boston, right?
Yep.
Are you going right to the very basics? You got an egg yolk there as well?
Egg yolk, garlic, anchovies.
Wow.
Who would ever thought I'd be making a Caesar for Gordon Ramsay? I love doing the Caesar salad, so I put a lot of enthusiasm into it.
I mean, what is he doing right now?
Is that the Caesar?
Okay, great. Thank you.
It took 8 minutes to make that.
Have you just washed that salad?
Yes.
You just washed it then?
Yep.
Because it's soaking wet. So all the dressings just run off it because the lettuce is soaking wet. To dress a Caesar salad, the salad has to be crisp but dry. So you've made all that freaking work for nothing.
Oh my God, 8 minutes for nothing.
Kim, you think he's gonna like the food?
I think so. Frank is so defeated right now that he's lost the confidence in himself as a chef and in his abilities.
The eggplant is in the window. Want to get Andrew?
The addiction, what was it?
Painkillers.
Painkillers.
Yeah. RCs, heroin.
Heroin.
Really never been in trouble with the law before that.
No.
No. First time happened to be the Fed.
And how long do you spend inside?
Almost 4 years.
You've been clean for how long now?
Almost 2 years.
That's fantastic.
Yeah.
2 years
That's
clean.
good.
Brilliant.
Yeah, it's nice.
I hope that's not the lie, because that's like a wholesome conversation.
Thank you. Strange. What do you mean, soggy? Hasn't been fried or cooked long enough.
No,
Yeah, it's really spongy and horrible. Are they frozen?
no, that's fresh.
When were they done?
This morning.
Really? Will you just check if that was done this morning? Because it tastes like it was done last
Sure.
week.
I'll tell Frank.
Thank you.
Frank,
I bet it's frozen.
this is spongy.
What was it?
When were they made? He asked me if they were frozen. I said no, they're not.
3 weeks ago.
3 weeks ago.
I'll go tell him.
I can't make eggplant to order. That's impossible. I don't have time.
You gotta say what he thinks.
Unless he has a new method I don't know about.
His method's gonna be, he's gonna get here at 11 in the morning. That's what the method is, Frank.
Well, it's impossible to be here at 11 in the morning.
No, it's not, Frank. Frank is a very lazy cook. He doesn't even fry the eggplant
Seems like it.
anymore. My mother and father end up frying it. Ridiculous.
Eggplant, made yesterday?
It was actually made 3 weeks ago. Yep.
3 weeks ago.
Yep.
That's disgusting. Do you go grocery
That is
shopping
really gross.
3 weeks in advance before you're gonna eat the stuff? No.
What do you order? Crab cakes, plus filet mignon with gorgonzola medium rare and a shrimp ravioli.
Write it down.
I just love what I do. This is perfect.
My food is good, and if he critiques it like I seen him critique other people's food, I'm gonna probably throw it at him.
What is that?
The crab cake?
Somebody spit on my plate? What is that on there?
That's coulis mango sauce.
Oh, coulis mango. Thank you. Is that something out of the Modern Art Museum? Splat.
It doesn't look that bad to me, but okay.
Wow. That's fucking disgusting.
I wasn't talking about the crab cake. I meant like the presentation didn't look terrible.
Plastic bits of crap running through the crab cakes.
Plastic?
Plastic bits of crap running through the crab cakes.
Ick.
Everything okay? Yeah, the chef sent out a little surprise. I got bits of plastic running through there. See the plastic? I don't know where it came from, but it's definitely in there. But I'm done with that. Thanks. Okay.
That's really gross.
For what's to come. Eric, we found a piece of plastic in there. Where's that from?
I don't know, man. Fuck him. I have
That's
no idea
really,
where that
really
plastic came
gross.
from. Just happened to appear. I don't even have plastic in my kitchen.
I don't even have plastic in my kitchen.
I have no idea. where
What
that
the
plastic
heck
came
do you
from.
mean, bro? You're wrapping something in plastic right now.
Happened to appear. I don't even have plastic in my kitchen.
The owner sat at the bar watching television, and they wondering why they're not doing well. Is that Joe's seat there at the end?
Yes.
I'd say that's fine. Well, I don't know how long he's been sitting there, but if he's taking like a break, that's fine. As long as it's like not more than like 30 minutes max.
All the time. He'll
Oh.
sit there most of the night.
Okay, well, never mind. Apparently he sits there most of the time.
Oh dear.
Joe does need to get off his ass and start paying attention.
Oh, here's my food. Fantastic.
Let me leave you alone to eat, right?
Madeline, thank you. Lovely. Thank you.
That looks decent, but I don't know what it is.
How'd you like the steak? Quite tough. Are they always served with raw onions, or? Yeah. Nah. Thank you. My pleasure.
You said the beef's a little tough.
This fucking thing out of here. There's nothing positive being said. I don't really suck that bad, you know?
Oh dear. That looks like the biggest pile of shit ever to be served in Queens. My God.
That ravioli.
The raviolis are disgusting, tart, tannin, and just a mouthful of acidic, thick, rich, creamy sauce that tastes like there's a buzz in your mouth.
Yeah.
It just seemed like Chef Ramsay didn't like anything.
Excuse me. Oh, God. Oh, dear.
This is really bad.
I can really start to understand to why Queens is running as fast as it can. From
Yeah,
PJ's.
ravioli's pretty simple. It really isn't that hard.
Dry. The chicken is ready tonight. Chocolate cook.
What happened? They don't
I hate dry chicken so much. If chicken is dry, it's gross. Chicken's my favorite meat, and if it's dry, that's gross.
What is that? Where's this coming from?
This is for the special.
For the special? Yeah, it's all hot.
It's papusagya.
No, but it's all hot. Where's it coming from?
Downstairs.
So you have a team of chefs downstairs as well?
No, only for women. Put in the mug.
Only for women?
That's all what she do.
They have like an elevator for the food. And it just goes into a microwave. That's disgusting.
Hello? 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 Wow. Christina, there's a lady downstairs that heats this stuff up.
Yeah, she puts this in the microwave.
What is that?
With so much food coming from downstairs.
Hello?
Why is that even a thing? Like, why are they like... Why isn't she just up in the kitchen? And why isn't the microwave up there? I don't understand.
He knows he needs to take a closer look at this unusual operation.
Oh, so there's the lift there. Okay. Shit. When was that clean last?
Ew.
Seriously? What's that? Well, look at that. There's another one. Why are they keeping this? They're gonna kill somebody. That's raw meat. Cooked meat. What in the fuck? Oh my god.
You probably don't sell enough of the dish per day to make it fresh, so they make pre-made. Probably, but I don't understand the whole like elevator. It's weird.
You're gonna be responsible for poisoning the whole of fucking Queens.
Ew.
These are all rotten. Bloody hell. What is going on here?
I think that was cabbage. Yeah, it's cabbage and it's like completely rotten.
I don't know what the fuck is going on. Have you got 2 seconds? What I saw at lunchtime, I knew we had problems. But I'm more concerned, not just about the shit that's gone on upstairs. Both you and Evelyn, come here. Let me show you very quickly how much you've checked out. How often are you in this fridge?
Every day.
Every day.
Every day?
This is the gyro we had earlier.
Take it. Yeah, put on there. What's that?
This is chicken.
So you've got cooked gyro, cooling down, and you've got cooked meat sat next to raw chicken.
In a different tray, sir.
In a different tray.
And on top of cover a basket of chicken.
You cannot store cooked meat anywhere near raw meat. Rule number 1. Just smell that. Just smell that. And smell that. Fucking smell it.
Yes, I smell it.
Yeah, go on, what's it smell of? Can you tell me what that smells of? Because he's in denial.
It smells like shit.
That is disgusting. Have you any idea how long a jar needs to sit?
Where did you find this?
Where the fuck do you think I found this?
If it's old, we should have just thrown it out. There's no reason to keep
Have
it.
you any idea how many years that needs to be in? All
This
these
is
fucking jars.
8 years.
All these jars and my children's life was stored at the back of the fridge. Just.
This has been 8 years over there.
Oh. That is disgusting. Give me one more excuse and I'm gonna flip my fucking lid. This place right now is a fucking hellhole. And when you talk about jars of fake caviar in a fridge for nearly 8 years, that's just an inkling to how dysfunctional this place is. Because if you're operating it this badly, I can help you in 2 minutes. I can give you the best advice you'll ever get. Lock the fucking door and close it down.
That's so gross. That's it's incredible how gross that was.